we solve the MCQ related to the transmission system, which is useful for the upcoming mains exam OSC Junior Motor Vehicle Inspector. So in this chapter we discuss the MCQ type question, and directly we jump to the answer and after reading the questions. So the chapter is name is transmission system. So here is the MCQ. We practice the MCQ. So the first question is: clutch is generally designed to transmit maximum torque, which is answer will be 150% of the maximum engine torque. So option C is the correct answer. Next, the coefficient of friction for clutch facing is approximately. So the coefficient of friction of clutch is 0.4. Option B is the correct. Next question. The major purpose of an electronically controlled automatic transmission is that is type of transmission which reduce shift shock and achieve more efficient transmission of engine torque. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the differential ensures that each wheel is driven at speed which is corresponding to the distance it must travel around the corner, and it is consequently prevent against the excessive tire wear. So this is agree or disagree, that means yes or no question. So answer will be agree. Option A is the correct. Next, which part of automobile tire is absorbed which part of the automobile tire is subjected to greatest flexing action? So answer will be sidewall. Sidewall is subjected to greatest flexing action. Okay. Question: the temperature at which tire inflation pressure should be checked is which ambient temperature. Okay, that means the room temperature or atmospheric temperature. Okay. Next question is the correct flow power through driven drainage. So the correct flow power through driven is engine, next clutch, main shaft, counter shaft, final drive, final driven gear, drive shaft, and wheels. So option B is the correct. Next, the aspect ratio, that means expressed in percentage. The tire is defined as the ratio. So aspect ratio is the section height to the section width. Option B is the correct. Next question: the two advantages of using helical gear rather than spur gear in transmission system. So helical gear is used for low noise level and strength. So option C is the correct answer. Next question: in order to implement gear changes in gear unit, an automatic transmission is used. So answer will be hydraulic multi-plate clutch. Next, this is yes or no type question. Okay. A smooth shift mechanism of an automatic transmission reduces the degree of shock at shifting of gear. Okay, this is also yes. This is correct answer. Okay. Next, agree or disagree. The seat belt will move out smoothly when pull out slowly, but it will lock when pull quickly. This is also a Greek type question. So answer A is the correct. Next, in bias ply tire, one of the correct. So option C is the correct, as one ply layer run diagonally one way and another layer run diagonally the other way. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Next, an imbalanced wheel during vehicle operation. An imbalanced wheel during vehicle operation make large noise when it is heavy point hits the road. This is no. deflect the wheel longitudinal direction. This is also bounce vertically or deflect from side to side as seen from front view. Okay, this is correct. Free pedal play in car clutch is about 2. This is 25 mm. This is free pedal play in car clutch is 25 mm. This question is important. You have expected from this question in the exam. Okay. Next, clutch facing are usually attached to plate by. So clutch facing are usually attached to the plate by brass rivet. Okay. Next, the torque converter uses gas to transfer torque. So this uses automatic transmission fluid, that means ATF. Okay. Next, the maximum torque multiplication ratio in torque converter is about 2.5. This is also important question. You have to remember. Okay. Next, the basic purpose of four-wheel drive 4WD system is that it ensures the effective transmission of engine torque to all four wheels even on the slippery road surface. So option C is the correct. Okay. In the previous class we discussed this is four-wheel drive, what is the meaning of and what is the importance. Okay. If you don't see the previous lecture, please see in the playlist. Okay. Next, the purpose of transmission in automobile is to vary the torque at the wheel. So option B is the correct. When cornering, the differential generates a difference in speed on left and right wheel. This is true or false question. So answer will be the question is when cornering, the differential generates a difference in speed on left and right wheel. So answer will be true. Okay, this is the right question. Next, the tire rotation is generally done at 10,000 km. Okay, an under inflated tire will wear the road. Wear the tread most near the edge. This is also important question. Two general type of tires are tube type and tubeless. Okay, as you know, tube and tubeless tire are present in the market. So the basic purpose of tire rotation on automobile is to equalize the wear. This is also important question. Which of the following is not an automobile? Options are motorcycle, passenger car, aeroplane, truck. This is simple question. As you know, aeroplane is not an automobile. In comparison with radial tire, one advantage of a bias ply tire is. So option C is the correct answer. Smoother ride at low speed. Vulcanizing means this is also important question. You have to, this is a repeated question in previous year, so you have to remember this question. What is vulcanize? Vulcanizing means hitting rubber under pressure. Next, when a gearbox has 4 forward speed and 1 reverse speed, it is said to be 4-speed gearbox has 4 forward speed, so you have to mark 4-speed gearbox. Okay. The correct way to rectify an imbalanced wheel is to attach appropriate weight to the wheel and at appropriate position. This is called balancing. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Next, the problem caused by wheel imbalance, steering wheel vibration and uneven tire wear. Next, the gear shift lever requires two separate motion to shift gear and the fast movement. So synchronizer, select synchronizer will be Right answer. Okay. Next is two-speed reverse gear arrangement is generally provided in case of tractor. Okay, tractor two-speed reverse gear is arranged. Wheelbase of vehicle is the distance between center of the front and rear wheel. This is also important question. You have to remember what is the logic behind this. Okay, as in a single drive plate clutch, personal vibration are absorbed by spring coil spring known as tungsten spring. This is also important question. In four-wheel drive, the number of gearbox. So the number of gearbox will be 2. An over-inflated tire will wear the tread most near the center. Okay. So an over-inflated, that means excess tire pressure will wear the thread most near the center. Center portion will be damaged. Next, cushioning spring in clutch plate reduces jerk start. If the tire is designated as 175 by 65 R 1482S, then the aspect ratio for the tire will be. So aspect ratio is that much, that means 65. And engine has clearance volume 100 centimeter cube and swept volume 800 centimeter. The compression ratio. The compression ratio is 800 by 100, that means 8 is to 1. Sorry, uh, compression ratio. Nah. Compression ratio. So the formula of compression ratio is total volume to swept volume. So total volume is swept volume plus clearance volume. This is swept volume Vs plus Vc divided by Vs. So given Vs given, swept volume given 800 plus Vc given 100, that means 800 plus 100 divided by 800, that means 900 divided by sorry compression ratio given na, compression ratio given total volume divided by clearance volume. This will be clearance volume. So that is 100. 900 divided by 100. So 9 is to 1. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. So ensure parallel rolling of wheel, thus stabilizing steering in addition to prevent both sides slipping and excessive tire. Okay. So this is correct answer. Okay. So basic purpose of tire is to grip the road and provide good traction. So the basic purpose is, of tire is to grip the road and provide good traction. Okay. Option A is the correct answer. So next is the clutch is located between the transmission and the engine. Okay. Next, the advantages of tubeless tire over tube tire is slow air leakage, better fuel efficiency, less chance of running flat, So all of these are the correct answer. When the vehicle is at rest, the clutch is engaged position. This is also correct. Which one? Not a part of differential. Timing gear is the not a part of differential. Universal joint is to connect two shaft at an angle. This is an important question. Fluid drive, other name is this is liquid cooling. Liquid coupling. Okay. The purpose of transmission system is to provide high torque at the time of starting. Clutch work on the principle of clutch work on the principle of friction. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. Next, clutch is located between flywheel and transmission system. Next, compared to radial tire, one advantage of cross ply tire is smoother ride at low speed. Is the advantages of cross ply tire over radial tire. What type of tire has low deflection when punctured and offer considerable resistance to side deflection when the vehicle is cornered? So tubeless radial ply, the tire has low deflection when punctured. Okay. What safety precautions should be taken when tire having a removable side flange is initially inflated after fitting to the rim? And the tire should be inflated. So in steel case will be right answer. The purpose of well in wheel rim is allow the tire to be fitted and removed. So the purpose of well in wheel rim is to allow the tire to be fitted and removed. Okay. Driving thrust and torque reaction is taken in Ossc drive is road speed. Okay. In the in error, the final drive assembly was fitted upside down in the rear axle so that crown wheel is now on the hand side of the pinion. So the effect of this error is known as the direction of the rotation of the road wheel will reverse. Okay. Option B is the correct. Compared with normal type of spiral bevel gear, a hypoid gear has advantages which is higher and lower propeller shaft can be used. When a vehicle is turned a corner, a action of differential causes inner wheel to be sped up. So when a vehicle turn is cornering, the crown wheel is rotating at 500 rpm and the outer wheel is running at 520 rpm, the speed of the inner wheel. So the speed of inner wheel will be in between the 500 and 520. So for it will be the right answer. Okay. In the next class, we do the remaining of the MCQ of the transmission system. Okay, thank you.